Good day, K-Fam. This is Kurako Philippines, your trusted partner for quality coffee equipment. And today's video will be teaching you how to properly use the Melesto EM33 Professional Espresso Machine, a powerful commercial-grade machine designed for cafes, coffee carts, and serious coffee setups. We'll guide you step by step from basic operation to pulling your first espresso shot so you can confidently use your EM33 for daily service. Before we begin, don't forget to follow Kurako Philippines on our social media platforms to stay updated with our latest demos, tutorials, coffee tips, and equipment guides. And for those asking, yes, the Melesto EM33 is available in two colors, the black yellow and a white coffee. So you can match it perfectly with your coffee concept or shop design. Now let's get started. Now we're moving on to the specification of the Melesto EM33. The rated power of this machine is 2,550 watts with a voltage and frequency of 220 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. It comes with a 0.75-liter copper brew boiler and a 1.8-liter copper steam boiler for strong and stable steaming performance. The net weight is 31.7 kilograms and then the gross weight is 40 kilograms. And for the dimensions, it measures 303 by 420 by 405 millimeters. Compact enough for commercial counters but powerful enough for daily service. Now let's talk about the key features of the Melesto EM33. It is equipped with a rotary pump delivering stable pressure for consistent 9-bar espresso extraction. This machine also features a dual boiler design, which means you can brew espresso and steam milk at the same time, perfect for faster workflow during busy hours. With BFE technology, you can adjust the flow rate during extraction. This allows you to enhance flavor development and bring out deeper, richer notes from your coffee beans. The digital displays allows you to easily monitor and control your brewing parameters from temperature settings to shot timing. It also comes with PID temperature control and adjustable pre-infusion, helping you achieve consistent results shot after shot. The auto brewing function allows you to set your preferred extraction time. Once programmed, the machine will automatically stop the shot based on your set timing, giving you consistent results every time. And last, it is designed for heavy use, making it perfect for cafes producing up to 350 cups daily. Here are the inclusions of the Melesto EM33. First, a drainage hose for automatic waste. Also get a Melesto 58mm portafilter with a double basket. With a Melesto 58mm naked portafilter, included as well is an extra steam tip, a single basket filter, and a coffee tamper. For cleaning and maintenance, the machine comes with a silicone pad for backflashing. You will also receive a single spout attachment, connectors for direct water line installation, and extra tool for basic troubleshooting and adjustment. A steaming pitcher is included for milk frothing, and finally a 3.0 water tank. Now let's move on to the machine setup and functions. Before turning on the machine, make sure you already have the proper water source connected. Once everything is properly connected, plug in the machine and turn on the main power switch located at the back. After turning it on, allow the machine to complete its preheating process. You will know the machine is fully preheated once the brew temperature reaches 93 degrees Celsius or above and the steam gauge reaches 2-bar pressure. On the top panel, you can place your cups to keep them warm before serving. On the left side of the top panel, you will find the hot water button, and beside it is your LCD touchscreen panel where you can access and adjust all brewing parameters. Next is your extraction paddle. This is used to start and stop your espresso extraction. It is also used for adjusting your flow rate during extraction. This machine uses a 58mm group head. Here is your hot water outlet. This is your steam lever, used to turn the steam on and off. The steam wand can rotate 360 degrees for flexible movement while steaming. The left gauge is your extraction pressure gauge to monitor your shots. The right gauge is your steam pressure gauge. And at the bottom, you will find the removable drip tray, which makes clean easy and convenient. And last, at the back of the machine, you will see the Melesto logo light. Let's go back to the LCD display settings. To adjust parameters, press the M button. First, the pre-wetting value will start blinking. You can adjust it using the arrow up button to increase the value and arrow down button to decrease it. Once you have selected your desired pre-wetting time, press M again to save and move to the next setting. Next is the pre-soaking. Adjust it to your preferred time using the arrow buttons. Press M again to save and continue. Next is your semi-automatic extraction time. Set your desired extraction time. For example, I will set it to 25 seconds. Once set, the machine will automatically stop at 25 seconds during extraction. Next is the ESP temperature. Adjust it to your preferred temperature, then press M to save. After that is the brew head temperature. The default setting is 80 degrees Celsius. Press M again to save and continue. Next is the steam temperature. The default steam temperature is 127 degrees Celsius. Adjust it using the arrow buttons, then press M to save. The last setting is cap count. The cap count increases only if your extraction runs for 15 seconds or longer. Backflashing below 15 seconds will not be counted. To reset the cap count, simply press and hold the arrow down button until it resets to 0. Additional settings include the option to turn off the logo light at the back using the designated icon. You can also change the language by selecting the language icon. Switch between Mandarin and English as needed. There is also an option to turn off the steam pressure. This is useful if you do not need the steam, helping reduce energy consumption. Now let's talk about the variable flow control. Using the extraction paddle, swipe the paddle to the right for a lower flow rate. Swipe the paddle to the left for a higher flow rate. On LCD display, you will see indicators. 2 boxes mean high flow rate, 1 box means low flow rate. If you want to manually stop the extraction, always remember the direction you last used to ensure proper control. To use the hot water function, press the hot water button to start dispensing. Press it again to stop manually. To use the steam function, pull the steam lever to activate. Return the lever to its original position to turn off. Always use a rubber grip when handling the steam wand to avoid burns. The steaming tape has 3 holes which help produce strong and even pressure, ideal for creating smooth and consistent milk texture. And that's how you properly set up and operation the Melesto EM33. With the right knowledge, proper calibration, and consistent workflow, this machine is more than capable of delivering professional quality espresso every single day. At Coriaco Philippines, we don't just provide machines, we provide guidance, training, and continuous support to help you grow your coffee journey. Whether you're building your cafe, upgrading your equipment, or starting your coffee business, we're here to assist you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow Coriaco Philippines on our social media platform. For inquiries, live demonstration, and available units, visit our stores nationwide or check our website. This is Coriaco Philippines, your trusted partner in every cup. See you in the next video.